Assalamualaikum! Hello, hello, hello mga guys! Ayan ang aking fit check for today. Ngayon ay Thanksgiving party at pag-uusapan natin ang mga food sa party. Bicol Express, beef Bicol Express. And then our next ulam is chicken barbecue from Barcode. Okay, our next ulam for the day is tempura, shrimp tempura with sweet sauce. Okay, next, calamares. Okay, our next ulam for the day is chop suey, ang walang kamatayang chop suey. Okay, we have two variety of rice. Actually, it's three. This is fried rice. What kind of fried rice is this? Shanghai rice. Okay, how about the other one? This is the second variety of rice. This is seafood fried rice with corn and carrots. Okay, the third one is the plain rice. Open. Okay, plain rice. And the special of the day, the black soup, beef black soup or tula itum. Where is the beef? You show them the beef. It's a huge chunk of beef. Okay, and our dessert is brownies. Okay, thank you very much. Sa Barcode, ito po ang, ayan po, may pailaw po sila, ganito, kasi until 6 p.m. po ang aming reservation, right, for dinner. That's from 2 to 6, with 50 chairs and tables, 6 tables. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.